Hello, kids. Welcome back to read interesting facts about ants. So, let's start. Ants all around. Do you know how many ants live in the world? More than 10 quadrillion. That's a lot of ants. Ants live in the fields and forest. They live under sidewalks too. Ants are everywhere. An ant is an active insect. Its tiny waist helps it bend and wriggle through tunnels. Its six strong legs creep and crawl. Ant is an insect, that's why it has six legs. Its two large eyes see the world. Its super tough jaws munch and crunch. Its long feelers touch and tap. This is wood ant. Ants at home. Army ant colony. One ant, two ants, three ants, four. See one ant and you will see lots more. Ants live in large groups. A group of ants is called a colony. Colony is a group of ants that live together. Some colonies have millions of ants. An ant colony lives in a nest. Most ants build nest underground. An ant nest is full of tunnels. Each tunnel leads to a little room. This is bulldog ant. This is underground ant nest. You can see the tunnel rooms. Some ants do not live underground. They live inside hollow thorns, between rocks, in rotting trees, in nests made of leaves. These are the weaver ants. An ant's life. The queen is the biggest ant in a colony. She lays eggs all day long. When the eggs hatch, little larvae wriggle out. They look like worms. They eat and eat and eat. Larvae turn into pupae. Pupae do not move. Pupae do not eat. After a few weeks, they turn into adult ants. Larvae, the second stage in the life of many insects. Larvae spends most of their time eating and growing. Pupae, the third stage in the life of many insects. Some ant pupae are surrounded by a cocoon. Worker ants. Most of the ants in a colony are workers. All worker ants are female. Inside the nest, some worker ants dig new tunnels. Others take care of eggs, larvae, and pupae. This is a bulldog ant. The larvae, these are the worker ants. Outside the nest, some worker ants collect food, others guard the nest. Many ants eat other insects. Ants with wings. Winged carpenter ants. A few ants in the colony have wings. Some are females, some are males. Ants with wings fly out of the nest. They start new colonies. Superhero ants. Aqua ant. Aqua ant lives in Australia. She can swim, dive, and even live underwater. Mama Marvel. Mama Marvel is an African driver ant. She lays 50 million eggs a year. Hulking Hercules. Hulking Hercules is a bulldog ant. She can lift more than 20 times her body weight. The Big Biter. The Big Biter is a trapjaw ant. She has the fastest bite in the animal world. Biter can snap her jaw shut at a speed of 145 miles an hour. Army ants. Army ants hunt for food every day. The colony looks like a moving, munching carpet. Army ants sting and bite everything in their path. They can kill insects, spiders, lizards, and baby birds. An army ant colony can be as wide as a street. It can be longer than a football field. Army ants are not the only ants that sting and eat animals. Fire ants have poison that they inject into other insects, animals, and even people. It leaves a burning feeling. That is how fire ants got their name. There are more than 280 different kinds of fire ants. Hooray for ants! Ants are an important part of our world. They are food for other animals, birds, frogs, and spiders. So do monkeys and artworks. As ants dig tunnels, they mix the dirt. Plants grow better in dirt with ants. That's all. I hope you enjoyed facts about ants. See you in our next video. Bye bye.